Guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can search templates in CapCut. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. And here we go. Now there are two ways of doing it. First one, go like this and open up your browser of your choice, and in the search bar, search for CapCut template. In the results, you will find an official website of CapCut templates. Tap on it and scroll down to see different types of templates. Choose any one and then open it up. It will contain a preview of that specific template. If you like and want to use it, just tap on use this template. It will redirect you to your CapCut. Here, just tap on use template and you are done. Now, the second way includes a platform known as TikTok. What you have to do is open up your TikTok and in the front section, tap on search. Then search for CapCut templates, and here you will see a lot of options. I'll again choose one and tap on use this template. It will redirect you to your CapCut and boom. That's how you can search CapCut templates. So all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.